Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you my turmeric ginger shot recipe. It's really simple. It helps to boost your immune system. In here, we're gonna need about 2 ounces of turmeric root. I use fresh root turmeric and then fresh ginger. It depends on your preference. And then 1 lemon. I'm using the zest and squeeze the juice out of it. A little bit of cayenne pepper to give you a kick. And then this is a must. It's a black pepper. The black pepper helps of the absorption of the turmeric. So the black pepper is a must. And a little bit of salt. It's a mineral salt. We use Redmond salt, unrefined Redmond salt, local Oklahoma honey. So after we add water, we're gonna blend this. It will probably mix about 1 liter. After I blend it, I usually sit for 1 day in the fridge before I add the lemon juice and the honey. So now it's ready to strain. You can add more water if you want to. I'm gonna strain it before I add the lemon juice and the honey. So that we're gonna put some honey, and it depends on your preference how much you're gonna put it. So it's ready now. We like to put half and half coconut water and the turmeric ginger shot and drink it every day. It's good. It's really good. Stay healthy. Thank you for watching.